Welcome to Sadie's World! Isn't this some cool slime? But it's not just any slime. This is cloud slime! I love cloud slime. And I want you guys to love it too. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make it. But before we get into that, make sure to like this video, turn on those notifications, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now we can get into it. Let's put this in away so we can make a new one. So, you're gonna need a bowl. And you're also gonna need your first ingredient. And where's glue? Okay, that should be good. Now, we're gonna add some color. I thought blue would be nice. It looked like this one. Let's go 5 or 6 drops. We want to make this one a little dark. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had to. Now let's mix. Please say it's a dark color. Please. Well, it's not the lightest color. Okay, now to activate our slime with STA-FLO. Let's do this. That was enough that we're already in with our hands. Plop. This looks like a brain and sounds like a digestive system. I guess this is our body. Blue brain. Heh heh. Any of these belong to you? Because I think it's lost. Okay, let's start to mix it with both of our hands. Somebody didn't get to eat their lunch today. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Okay, so we have slime now. Still working on it. It's a little overactivated, which is good because the snow is going to add water into it, which is going to make it more watery. Okay, let's add the snow. Here's our snow. So this is the bowl we're going to be putting it in. We'll move this to the side. Let's add our snow in. 1 scoop. 2 scoops. 3 scoops and 1 more scoop. And 1 more scoop. There. Now let's add some water. Here's our water. This is my favorite part. Watching it grow. Okay. This is awesome. It's like a science experiment. Whoa. It's like snow is not cold, which is awesome. Although I've never been in real snow. Let's make it look like snow. It's snowing in California for the first time. Okay. Snowing. Okay, let's just... Now I'm starting to think that was a bad idea. Might as well finish that idea. All you can see is snow? I'm regretting this. But it's probably going to be really satisfying. Wow. It's snowing. Okay. Oops. This is the mess I was talking about, okay? This is the mess I'm talking about. Snow on the table. It's not cloud slime yet. Man. Come on, become cloud slime. Please. Maybe that was the magic word. Maybe now I just have to keep mixing. Aww, that was sad. I wish that was stretched. But, ooh, it might be working. I think it's working. I'm pretty sure it's working. I hope it's working. Oh, yeah. I think this is working. This is working. I just have to get the snow completely in the slime. It's not really doing the cloud thing yet, which is very concerning. Oh, or is it? It might actually be getting there. It's getting there. Definitely. Ooh, it's cloud slime. I think I just have to stretch it a little more. And this is actually really fun to make. Especially seeing the snow form. So, don't just watch me play with all this awesome cloud slime. Go make it yourself. It's really fun to make. And fun to squish.